Today I'm going to show you two patterns for trading the Forex market. They are super effective, super simple to use, and once you master them, you will dominate the Forex market. If you do enjoy this video, smash that like button. It really does help me out a lot. It helps me grow and motivates me to create more content. Anyway, without further ado, let's get down to business. Right, Lions, so the two top candlestick patterns, which do I like? I love the bullish and the bearish engulfing candle, which probably is what you know already from me. I use it most of the time, but there is one more that I really love, and if you watch the full video, you will find out. Now, let's just concentrate on the bullish engulfing candle first. So typically, you take this candlestick formation on a nice uptrend. So let's say it's trending towards the upside very nicely over here. Candlestick formation pulls back to the trend, bullish engulfing candlestick. So the blue one swallows the white one, or if you're using a standard charting software, so the green one would be the blue one and the red one would be the white one. It's a bullish engulfing candle, but only after it closes. It has to close. A new candlestick has to form before it's confirmed that it's a bullish engulfing candlestick. You wouldn't believe how many times I've seen traders make this mistake. They see this type of formation, bullish engulfing candlestick, but the time is still running. 5 minutes left until the candlestick closure, and on the last 5 minutes the candlestick just goes towards the downside, doesn't confirm. A bullish engulfing candle goes down, becomes a doji or something, and then you're in a bad entry point. So very important to do that. Bullish engulfing candlestick over here as well. You should always enter on a nice uptrend, ideally a nice pullback of the trend, as you can see over here and over here as well. Maybe if you're using moving averages, it would be a nice trade towards the upside. Now over here we have a bearish engulfing candle, literally the same thing, just the opposite direction. You take this trade on a downtrend. If it's trending down, you ideally want to take it. So let's say it was trending towards the downside, so it had a nice push of the support. So let's say this was the previous support, broke through, push exhaustion scenario. After the completion of exhaustion, as you can see, bearish engulfing candlestick, we are waiting for the candlestick closure. Once again, we are going down, and this would have been a nice and profitable trade. Same thing over here, bearish engulfing candlestick going down. This is the ideal and most profitable way to trade the Forex markets. Trust me, I use this pattern around 70 to 80% of the time, and it works really well for me, and it will definitely work well for you. So the last but not least candlestick pattern is the reversal or the rejection candlestick. Basically what you're aiming for is a nice push towards the upside, and you see this candlestick, right? After it was trending towards the downside, as you can see over here, it pushed through very nicely without any sort of exhaustion, right? It just pushed through, and we know as traders that the markets move push exhaustion scenario, right? So the push did happen. We are waiting for some sort of exhaustion. The exhaustion is this candlestick over here. As you can see, it's rejecting the price level. It's also the previous area of resistance, right? So you use this in combination with RSI indicator, so relative strength index. If you use this candlestick pattern with RSI, you will undoubtedly kill the Forex markets. Let's say we open a short position over here, stop loss just above around this area, take profit around the support line, make it a little bit bigger. Let's play the tool, and it would have been a nice trade towards the downside. So the candlestick showed price rejection. RSI is showing the same with the default settings. We are going towards the downside to retest our previous support. This was a nice area of previous resistance, so very likely will bounce off this area, which it did. Right, so you can use the same candlestick pattern a little bit differently, right? It's shooting towards the upside now. As you can see, the RSI is actually a little bit in the middle, but just if you look at it closely, as you can see, this area zone was recently oversold, right? So it's a strong area of support in this level. This candlestick over here shows a nice price rejection of the support. Probably this trade will continue to shoot up. As you can see, it also has a nice bullish engulfing candle as confirmation once again. So this reversal or rejection candle, whatever you want to call it, is a good indication. With the bullish engulfing candle, the RSI was recently oversold. More than likely, it's a nice price reversal, shoot towards the upside. So stop loss just below the support. Target can be, 2 to 1 to 3 to 1 to 4 to 1 risk to reward, depending how you trade the Forex markets. And as you can see, if we play this tool, it shoots towards the upside very, very nicely, and it continues to shoot towards the upside, making bullish engulfing candlesticks over here and over here and here as well. You also can spot rejection candles by simply having a look at the downtrend, right? So the previous downtrend was around this area, right? Previously was respecting it, quite a steep downtrend over here, previously respecting it multiple times, pushed out with a bullish engulfing candle, exhaustion to the previous area sensitivity, bullish engulfing candle as confirmation. I would probably enter the trade around this area, but if you would see the rejection candlestick just around this area as well, just confirms that this support is probably not gonna break. The other side was also oversold, as I said, in around this area zone. More than likely it will continue to shoot up, and it does. So as you can see, this strategy works. I just sent out this trade, Swiss Japanese yen. I did say lower your risk because of fundamental news, but as you can see, this trade is definitely shooting towards the upside. I entered just around this area, so it's currently 20 pips or more in profit. So we have reached our take profit 1 level, move stop loss to entry or near it, depending on the market conditions, and that's it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and make sure to join our premium signals group. We are dominating the markets. We have not lost a trade for 3 weeks. It's the first link down in the description below, and this was Elders from Forex Trading Alliance. Hopefully you guys have a wonderful day or week, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.